This is Jalandhar city turning into an island of sorts. And what you can see is the low-lying areas completely inundated. Now, where we are standing is Jalandhar city, and this is the new Jawahar Nagar, one of the posh areas. Look at this. The vehicles, the scooters all in water, but so are the houses. Several of them now 3 to 4 feet. Several of them also knee level water coming in. सर आप लोग बताइए कितना कितना पानी आया है घरों में. क्या नाम है आपका?
मैम राजीव सोनी एंड न्यू जवाहर नगर में रह रहे हैं. रात को 1:30 बजे कोई ऑलमोस्ट 2 फीट पानी और उसके बाद से अब तक यही हालत है पानी की. और इतना टोरेंशियल इतने स्पीड से आया है कि समझ नहीं आया क्या हो रहा है. सारा फर्नीचर सारा अंदर जो कुछ भी है सब खराब हो गया.
So we'll just try and get you a sense. Look at this, because sir, do tell us about the situation here. I mean, who is to really blame for this? You know.
ਬੇਸਿਕਲੀ ਤਾਂ ਇਹ ਜੀ ਕਾਰਪੋਰੇਸ਼ਨ ਦੀਆਂ ਗਲਤੀਆਂ ਜੀ. ਜਿੱਦਾਂ ਐਮਐਲਏ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੇ ਦੱਸਿਆ ਵੀ 90% ਬਲੋਕੇਜ ਆ. ਜੇ ਕਿਤੇ ਬਲੋਕੇਜ ਖੋਲ ਦਿੱਤੀ ਅੱਗਿਓਂ ਪਾਣੀ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਰਹੂਗਾ ਤਾਂ ਪਿਛਲੇ ਪਾਸੇ ਆਟੋਮੈਟਿਕਲੀ ਇਹ ਬੰਦ. ਬਹੁਤ ਵੱਡਾ ਸੀਵਰੇਜ ਮੇਰੇ ਖਿਆਲ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ 104 ਇੰਚ ਦਾ ਸੀਵਰੇਜ ਆ. ਬੀਇੰਗ ਅਸੀਂ ਜਦੋਂ ਲਾਸਟ ਟਾਈਮ 2017-18 ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਪਾਂ ਇਹ ਸ਼ੁਰੂ ਕੀਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ, ਉਦੋਂ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਕਹਿ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਸੀਗਾ ਜੀ ਵੀ 10% ਚੱਲ ਰਿਹਾ ਤੇ 90% ਬੰਦ ਆ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ.
The MLA is here with us. So you're from Congress. Many would now say the government is of Aam Aadmi Party, but I mean, aren't you equally responsible to ensure things are in
No, definitely I am trying my level best. See, I have no problem at all as far government is concerned, but the unfortunate part is nobody is listening to do the needful, because only we can push and we can stand by what the people are facing now. But at the same time, they have to do the needful, because
what is the needful?
It's a big corporation, because they have every system with them, but ultimately they are not working. So that is where the problem is. Even I talked to mayor also, I talked to commissioner also. I said, see, look at what is happening. But nobody. They said we are there, we are there, but
Let's
nobody.
just try and get you a sense. Look at this house. Now this is the pathway. Look at this. People now actually standing and watching, because remember, this is a difficult time for any house owner. Look at this. If the camera person goes, sir, दिखाएंगे. This is where we just try and get you a sense of how heartbreaking it can be for any owner to really go into a situation of this kind. Look at the sort of water which has gone in. This is the living room, then this is the dining room, and this is where the water is gushed in. And clearly this is something which could be very heartbreaking for any person who belongs here, and there's no electricity. Look at this.
We have been told that electricity will be restored within 2 or 3 days, because the main this thing has also drowned. Just look at this.
So the house completely in shambles, and trying to locally ये de-water के लिए आए हैं आप?
ये हमने अपनी तरफ से पर्सनल बुलवाए हैं.
Wait, आपका नाम क्या है?
साकेत.
साकेत. ये आपका घर
ये
है?
हमने पर्सनल बुलवाए हैं.
हाँ.
पानी निकलवाने के लिए, लेकिन गवर्नमेंट की तरफ से कोई हमें हेल्प नहीं है. पूरी लेन में कोई हेल्प नहीं है हमें किसी तरह की.
कितने घरों में आसपास आया है पानी?
17 odd houses in our lane. सब में है, कोई नहीं बचा.
So there you see, third largest city. That's what Jalandhar really is. And what we know is the areas inundated and flooded were at the borders. We also saw Kapurthala. We saw how there's water in bits of Hoshiarpur, but mostly now water gushing into Jalandhar. Now that itself, there's also a warning sign coming in. But the point is the Aam Aadmi Party government prepared? Were they really prepared? Remember, the Ministry of Home Affairs has formed a committee, but eventually they will look into the causes. But why is Punjab being inundated, and can the accountability be really set as to who is really responsible for this kind of flooding mess. With camera person Girish, this is Kamaljeet Sandhu in Jalandhar for India Today.